We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Mercedes E-Class AMG Sport Estate. It absolutely looks nothing like its age or mileage. It drives absolutely fantastic. It's the facelift model. It's got the front park distance control, unmarked alloy wheels, absolutely gleaming black metallic. Stunning. Rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, does have a camera as well, full AMG body styling, absolutely gleaming in this weather. Electric tailgate, got the boot protector, the AMG carpet mats and the tonneau cover there. Interior, the usual AMG, half leather, half Alcantara, and the added extra of a tilt side sunroof. Electric memory seats, electric windows. Auto headlights, satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, reverse camera, Bluetooth telephone connectivity for telephone and audio. As I said, electric tilt side sunroof, multifunction steering wheel, some 115,412 miles, and he's absolutely stunning. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.